Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. This is a bit of a video on beacons and light bars, back to my core basics. So this is an Electroquip R65 Chapter 8 single bolt beacon that I purchased either from, I think it was Beacons and Light Bars or Lightbar UK, one or the other. I'll make sure that I amend the correct information in the video description so I don't offend any companies that I haven't purchased it from. But I purchased this 3 years ago. The beacon itself, very little UV degradation on the actual polycarbonate lens. I've got no water ingress whatsoever inside of it. It electrically works flawlessly. My only gripe is I paid good money for this, and the actual steel bracket that comes with it, this part here, is corroded and rusted to shit. This bracket is a genuine Rhino Delta bar adapter bracket for beacons. That's pretty much intact, but the actual single bolt bracket that's attached to the beacon that it comes with is so scabby and rusty. You know, you spend good money on beacons and you put them on your vehicle, but the last thing you want is contamination from this rusting out any other surfaces on your vehicle. The bar where I've had this for 3 years is intact, but overall the beacon is absolutely shot on the bracket. So I'm going to have to take it all apart. I'm going to clean it all up with a wire brush, maybe flat disc on a grinder, and then get some metal like rust converter, and then treat that, red oxide it and repaint it, or either I'm going to pay somebody to re-powder coat it, because I like perfection. I strive for things that are faultless. But I just thought I'd share that. It's an Electroquip, still a current model I believe. Electroquip, I'm just trying to find your model number. Electroquip Mike Lima Bravo 24 something. But it's R65 Chapter 8 amber clear lens beacon. But I'll put the description of the video together with the correct information where I purchased this. Maybe, you know, if you want perfection, I'd stay away from something like that, because it's not what you want, is it really? Even these Wow LED, cheap LED floodlights purchased from Amazon, they're aluminium, but 3 years, very little corrosion on them. You know, the stainless steel, they actually had genuine stainless steel brackets, and the so-called stainless steel bolts that came with them, they're definitely not stainless steel, more like chrome crap. But I thought I'd share that. If you like the video and it's helpful, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow, leave a comment, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching AW Services.